Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku in this editional of today's newspaper of Wednesday, February the 17th, 2021. Two Sudokus left, two puzzles left. I will do the binary and later I will continue with a tectonic one. Alright, this one will be number 2344. Alright, 2344. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Now we have 4 1's in this row, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1's. Alright, then double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two 1's comes in O. Between two 1's comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Okay. Then let me think. Yeah, we need to compare this column and that column. 1 1 empty box, O O empty box, 1 1 O O O O 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here an O, there an O. Double 1 here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1 here no, there no. Yeah, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So this should be an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Finished in 3 minutes. Alright. Great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic one with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.